Hi pawb, Brian syml Byw'n Iach Gonwynion yn Bywdwch. Just video bach sydyn i dangos i sut i wneud gwrthred y chest i fyny. Hi everyone, Brian here from Byw'n Iach Gonwynion in Bywdwch. Just a quick little video to show you how to do an incline press up from your home. I dechrau efo, ti'n mynd yn y press up position, dwylo ar ben y bocs, cefn nice and stiff, stumog yn dyn. Da chi'n dod lawr i'r bocs, touch efo'r chest, un eiliad, a push i fyny un eiliad. To start with, you want to get yourself into a press up position, place your hands on the box or the chair, you come down, touch your chest on the box, 1 second, push back to the top 1 second. Os ydyn yn rhy galed i chi, geid i fyny hanner press up, cadw y penglin ar y llaw, dwylo nôl ar y box, lawr, touch un eiliad, a push i fyny un eiliad. If you struggle with the standard incline press up, you can do a half. So you're going to put your knees on the ground, hands back on the box, still with a straight back, nice tight tummy. Come down, touch chest on the box 1 second, push to the top 1 second.